write ratios as fractions. So when you have ratios, this is write the ratio in fractional notation in lowest terms. So ratios are always going to be written in fraction form. You will always have to reduce, even if they don't tell you to. So the way it works is the first term is going to be your numerator. The second term is going to be your denominator. And typically the ratio is going to say something to something else. So in this case, it would be 4 to 15. As a fraction, it would be 4 divided by 15. And that cannot be simplified, so that's your answer. If you have a word problem, we have the same thing, we just have to read a lot more. A disk has a diameter of 36 centimeters, while a mini disk has a diameter of 30 centimeters. So those are your two different things. Ratios compare two different things. Write the ratio of the mini disk to the disk diameter. So the first thing they're asking for in the problem is the mini disk. And then that's going to go to the normal disk diameter. The mini disk has a diameter of 30. The normal disk has a diameter of 36. So your answer would be 30 over 36. That can be reduced. So we can divide both numerator and denominator by the same number, 6. And that's now going to give us 5/6. And that's going to be our simplified ratio of mini disk diameter to disk diameter. All right, question 3. Write the ratio in fractional notation in lowest terms. So again, right, a ratio is comparing two pieces. We don't typically use decimals in fractions, but this is saying that they want 5.5 in the numerator and 24.75 in the denominator. So a trick is to multiply by a power of 10 to change the fraction to integer values. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by 100. The reason I'm doing that is the denominator has 2 decimal places. And if I multiply by 100, that's going to move the decimal 2 places to the right. And my denominator would be 2,475. No decimals. If I do the same thing in the numerator, because I need to multiply by the same number on top and bottom, this decimal point moves 2 places. So you're going to have 550, because you got to fill that extra spot in there. So from here, we have to try to figure out how to reduce this. I see that both of these numbers end in a multiple of 25, so I'm going to divide them both by 25. You can use smaller numbers, you just have to continue with the process till you get the simplest term. That first numerator is going to give us 22, and if we do that division in denominator, it's going to give us 99. Well, this is a lot easier for me now. I can divide by 11, numerator and denominator, and now I have 2/9, which is my final answer. That cannot be reduced anymore.